If we try to run with the race of the world, we might run all our lives but might never win. So I think it's better to stop, pause for a while, just to live in the present when we are alive and breathing. Think once again, maybe you are missing something very special out of your lives. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family. Today I decided to make a wooden jewelry organizer from some leftover wood from my previous project using simple techniques and tools. So I cut my plank into 5 pieces, 2 for the back, 2 for the sides, 1 for the top. Actually, this video is basically sponsored by my family since they got me this beautiful heavy-duty professional jigsaw as a New Year's gift on the New Year's Eve, as they know I love making things and also cutting wood. So I am enjoying so much. I'm very thankful and grateful for getting me this beautiful amazing gift. So I'm connecting 2 pieces for the back. If you're getting it cut already from some shop, so like Lowe's or any woodworking shop, you can get your back in 1 piece. Since I was using an old piece, so I had to make 2 pieces to make a back. After every piece is joined together, it looks something like that. After that, I had to attach the bottom, the base. To make the box not more heavy, I used a lighter piece of wood. So after that, I attached my cardboard piece on the bottom, and then I want my box to be 2-doored. So actually, and the doors should be like a window. So I'm using this fancy wood with 4 straps, and 2 for the sides and 2 for the up and down. So 1 for the sides, I cut 1 from one side and 2 from the other side. So it will be 3 and 2 sides 1. Then to make the door, you have to cut your wood into angles, and this is how you cut a wood into angles, so they would fit perfectly and look a little bit clean and fancy. After that, I attached them with strong adhesive. In that time, I used this fancy trimming to cover the rough edges, and believe me, they were really rough. After it was joined together, I used 3mm glass to attach it on the top, first with the adhesive and then later with the glass holding clips. And the evening came, and you can see my 1-day-old little chicks getting cozy. And this is how my box looks so far. While my door was getting dried, I painted my box once, but I changed my mind later, so never mind. I am attaching my doors with the help of hinges. If you need any kind of information, any kind of knowledge or skill about attaching the doors or using hinges and how to make a door, you can visit my video, and the link is down in the description box below. You will get everything, whatever you want to know. So actually, I painted my box brown, but later I decided to turn it into my latest obsession of gray and silver. That is extremely beautiful combination, and I just love it so much. So I attached the fancy trimming and the center of the doors too, as you can see the inner part. So I'm using silver mirror spray. You can use Australian definitely, and cover the whole box with the silver mirror spray. After that, to make your favorite shade of gray, you can make one of the 50s. just take a larger body of white and make smaller body of black as much as you want to make your perfect shade. Then tapping some light sponge to make this gray paint, just cover the top parts of the high points of the wood to make a beautiful contrast of silver and gray. Then I had this piece of flake for a very long time, but I never got to use it actually. So for this project, this is a very real fit. So I'm using thick coat of black first, then silver, and then lightest hue of gold to give it a beautiful dimension. After that, I applied it, but it had millions of imperfections to cover that up. I used these flowers and it covered every nail hood and imperfection perfectly. So let's move inside the box. It is very plain and cold, so I decided to add some net, and that is, to be very honest, some chicken net left over from my patch project. Video is down in the description and you want to check it out, I'm sure. So to attach that net, I needed some sticks. I painted them silver, and now I'm looking for some eye hooks. They're called eye hooks, and you can get it from any craft store or woodworking store. While the sticks were drying, I flipped the box upside down and fixed the eye hooks first with the help of a hammer and then rotating it clockwise. After that, put the box in its initial real position and then laying it down and attaching the wire with the help of these sticks that are now dry. Then it rained for a very long time. And I hope you like the project. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a beautiful day.